Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today, we are going to be making some treats for Memorial Day, something patriotic. I wanted to share with you something that's not new to the website because those recipes are already up there, but I'm going to show you two treats to kind of make them more patriotic. I wanted to share these particular ones with you because A, they're easy, B, they're kid friendly, and C, they're delicious. So I thought, why not give you a couple ideas that you can whip up in no time and you can just serve on your Memorial Day tables. So I hope you guys enjoy.